It's turning slow. It's thin and bright. Paper sky and velvet ground.